Hello friends, and welcome to my cozy new little channel, Grove Sleeper. In this video, we're going to be officially kicking off a great series for you all. Today I want to present to you the very first of the bonsai trees in my grove that I'm going to be restoring and rehabilitating on this channel. This is just one of over a dozen bonsai that I have in my personal collection. It's a beautiful little pine. This is the smallest tree in the grove, and they're only going to get bigger and even more unique in the videos from here on out. So buckle in. I'm really stoked to introduce you to my little backyard bonsai grove. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button below so you can catch all of the other trees as I get these videos out. I was able to match a lot of the characteristics of this tree to a Japanese black pine. Thank you bonsaiempire.com for that reference. However, I'm not an expert when it comes to tree identification, so if I'm missing something or if I'm off the mark, please let me know with a comment below and I will look into it. I really appreciate having your help in getting a positive ID on all the trees I have out back, and it's really fun to learn my way through this with you. That said, this tree has a lot going for it right off the jump. The branches are healthy and the pines are arranged in pleasant little fascicles. Shout out to dictionary.com and Wikipedia for expanding my vocabulary today. It's a botany term, so there you go. This channel is educational too. I love the way that it sits in the pot. It's raised up on its little mound with a lot of very salvageable moss. And in an upcoming video, I'm going to be going through very carefully and removing any grass and weeds that have taken hold in there. We'll also remove some of the dead moss, possibly replace it with some pebbles. We can get creative and it's going to look really, really great. I'm going to be taking these restorations in many phases. So starting out, we're going to clean it up and take care of any immediate tasks that might be of risk to the tree. And then we can start coming up with ideas on how we want to start training the branches and possibly trimming off anything significant. There's no rush, and once something is taken off the tree, it's gone for good. So let's roll into this series real smooth and get ready to restore some absolutely amazing bonsai. I'm going to be posting as often as possible and hopefully getting through at least one tree restoration per week. I'm also going to be doing some other one-off projects and creating some new bonsai pieces to add to my collection. If you watch to the end of the video, I have a quick request of all you guys so that we can get restorations live on YouTube as soon as possible. So again, if you're new, I'm really glad that you found your way here. If you're coming back, I really appreciate the support, and I'm so excited to get started on this project. There's lots of trees that we're going to have to be working on this summer, so let's get after it, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. One last thing before I go, in order to stream any of these restorations live, I need to hit at least 50 subscribers. So if you enjoy the content and you want to see some live restorations, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. It helps me out a ton. Thank you.